Designing for Gen Z users, patterns, colors, and behavior insights. Designing for Gen Z, just adding bright colors and emojis won't work. So let's break down how Gen Z really behaves so you can design apps they will love using. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Rambal from Aspira, happy to see you again. If you are a UI UX designer or just starting out, one thing is super clear. Gen Z is your main user base in 2025. They are in college, just started working, and they spend hours every day on apps. But their behavior is very different from older generations. So today I am going to help you design better for Gen Z. What colors they like, what design patterns they expect, and how they actually behave on apps. Let's dive into that. 1. Who is Gen Z? So Gen Z includes people born between 1997 to 2012. So basically your younger siblings, your cousin in college, or even your junior at work. They have grown up with Instagram, YouTube, Swiggy, Netflix, gaming, and memes. They are super fast, visually driven, and don't tolerate boring apps. If your design is confusing or outdated, they will uninstall your app under 10 seconds. No second chance. 2. What colors do they love? So let's talk about their color trends. Gen Z likes to express themselves. So you will often see neon colors like a pink, purple, blue, green. Bold gradients and high contrast or soft pastels for wellness and productivity apps. Indian apps doing this well, something like CRED, stylish dark UI, bold fonts, premium vibe. Zomato, playful UI, bold red, engaging microcopy. Boat app, edgy, high energy colors and visuals matching their brand for end users. The key is make it look fresh, modern and on trend. So also make sure you offer dark mode. Gen Z loves it. 3. What design patterns work for Gen Z? So the Gen Z attention span is very short. So the experience must feel quick and rewarding. So here is what works. Swipeable cards and carousels. So think of Instagram stories or Spotify playlist. That micro interactions like animations. So when you tap a button or complete a task. Gamification. So something like a points, streaks, levels, it keeps them engaged. Personalization. Let them change the themes, choose avatars or customize their feed. So I'm sharing the examples. Duolingo. They have a fun mascot, streak system, Gen Z humor. Navy app in India. So clean UI, simple onboarding, quick steps. Instagram Reels. Tap, swipe, scroll. Behavior Gen Z is addicted to. So if your app feels alive, they will keep coming back. 4. How Gen Z thinks and behaves. Gen Z isn't just fun and fast, they are also socially aware. Mental health conscious. Very picky about privacy and trust. That means be transparent, avoid dark patterns or hidden steps. Be inclusive. Your visuals and content should show real people, not stocky models. Be real. Don't try to fake youth language or copy the slang. Just be authentic. They also care about purpose-driven brands like apps that support climate, wellness, or social causes. Apps like Cult.fit, Good Ball, Career Growth, or even Nika, Beauty with Empowerment, connect well with Gen Z in India. 5. Real-world app examples. So let's break this down with a mix of Indian plus global apps Gen Z loves. CRED, premium feel, modern typography, cool UX. Zomato, humor, bold visuals, Gen Z tone of voice. Spotify, bold gradients, personalization, playlist. Duolingo, gamified UI, friendly mascot, streaks. Boat app, energetic color palette, youth branding. Instagram, stories, reels, visual first UI. So these apps feel fun, relatable and quick to use, exactly what Gen Z wants. So my final tips to design for Gen Z, keep it bold, fast and fun. Add movement, gamifications and customization, show empathy, authenticity and purpose. And finally, keep testing with the Gen Z users. Just ask your younger sibling or cousin to try your design. You will get instant feedback. So that's it for today. If you are designing for Gen Z, don't overthink. Just observe, simplify and energize your design. Comment below which app do you think Gen Z loves the most. So like, subscribe and I will see you in the next one with more UX UI tips made simple. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep designing. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.